We are excited to announce our biggest evolution in anchor design software since the launch of PROFIS 10 years ago, the Hilti PROFIS Engineering Suite. With the Hilti PROFIS Engineering Suite, we are building upon the incredible calculating power of the original PROFIS by integrating improvements that will save you time, streamline your processes, and support project team collaboration. Let's face it, baseplate design is a cumbersome, uncertain process. To start rigid baseplate is a theoretical concept, and it's difficult to know how close a baseplate is to rigid. Once baseplate design begins, it's often extremely time-consuming, involving modeling complex connection configurations, performing several hand calculations, and then spending hours compiling information from various programs just to produce a report. The advanced baseplate feature of the PROFIS Engineering Suite radically simplifies this workflow, bringing you industry-leading efficiency and accuracy. Model faster than ever, utilizing our built-in templates for both simple and complex configurations. Quickly design the entire steel-to-concrete connection, including the baseplate, anchors, welds, stiffeners, and the concrete stresses. Check how close your baseplate is to the ideal rigid baseplate. Easily iterate until you find the best solution for your project. Once complete, generate reports with a simple click of the button and add section-specific comments. PROFIS Engineering takes the guessing out of baseplate design and streamlines the verification process through thorough documentation. Learn more about how you can benefit from PROFIS Engineering today. Sign up for a free trial, request a one-on-one demo, or contact a Hilti engineer for more information.